In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo an action in Adobe Fill and Sign on web browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly reverse something you just did while working in Adobe Acrobat Online's Fill and Sign tool, so you can keep your document clean and accurate without starting over. First, make sure you're in the Fill and Sign view of Adobe Acrobat Online, with your PDF open in your browser. As you add text, check marks, or place a signature, it's common to drop something in the wrong spot or type the wrong thing. That's where undo comes in. It lets you step back one action at a time. Look to the top toolbar of the Adobe Acrobat Online interface. You'll see a back arrow icon, which is the undo button. Click that back arrow to reverse your most recent action. If you just added a text box in the wrong place, undo will remove it. If you moved an item accidentally, undo will put it back where it was. You can click undo repeatedly to walk back several steps, one click per action, as long as there's history to go back through. If the icon is dimmed or unclickable, that simply means there's nothing left to undo. As you work, keep your eye on the page after you click undo to confirm the change took effect. It should be immediate. If you're not seeing anything happen, make sure you're actually in the Fill and Sign tool and not another part of the interface, and check that you recently performed an action that can be undone. You can also use a familiar browser keyboard shortcut to undo. Press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard, and in most cases, it will perform the same undo action as the back arrow icon. This is especially handy when you're placing several items and want to move quickly without reaching for the mouse. If Ctrl+Z doesn't seem to work, try clicking once on the document area to make sure the page is active, then press the shortcut again. Keep in mind that if your cursor is inside a text box, Ctrl+Z may undo your most recent typing first, which can be helpful if you made a typo. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you've refreshed the page or reopened the document, your undo history may be cleared, so it's best to make corrections right away. And if you don't see the undo icon, try expanding the toolbar or ensuring your browser window is wide enough to show all controls. That's it. Use the back arrow icon in the top toolbar, or press Ctrl+Z to undo your last action in Adobe Fill and Sign on the web.